Hi there, it's Mr. Zuniga again. How are you today? Hoping the best. So, third graders, hope you're doing great. You know, we're doing another subject today. It's phonics. And as you can read again, the title says it's page 20. Yeah, so grab your book, your phonics book, and grab a pencil. Get an eraser, a sharpener, something to decorate like coloring pencils or coloring markers. Let's go over it, over page 20. Okay? And let me remind you a bit what that page is about. It is in one lesson which tells us a bit about blends. And the special blend we're talking about is one with TW, with consonant TW. Examples of these are twice, look, and 20. Alright, before we go any further, as usual, let's print the date on that page. Okay, use the heading of the page in your pencil and print the date. Hold on a second. Okay, print it right over here. Print the date over here. Okay, date is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Please don't forget to capitalize Wednesday, use a comma, capitalize April, use TH as superscript, another comma after, and end this with a period. Okay, let's go over this. Solve it. You can spot it right over here. The exercises are under the title Solve It. And we have a word bank. It's actually not a bunch of words, but some consonants. Consonant P, PL, N, L, F, and PR. And those will be part of the answers. Oh, also G and B. How are we gonna use these consonants? Listen, here I have an example on number 1. The question on number 1 says, enough of something. And we have the word 20 in parentheses. We need to replace T and W by one of these sets. So we're gonna use PL. Once replacing TW for PL, we get the word plenty. And I also want you to go over the bank and cross out the sets we use. I'm gonna cross out this set of consonants, and I'm done with that now. Okay, so number 1, the answer is plenty. Write it right in the line over here. Plenty. Over here. Plenty. Plenty. PL. Plenty. Instead of 20. Okay. Let's continue over number 2. Number 2's question says, a sharp object used in sewing, or sewing actually. On sewing. So, what grandmothers use is not a twin. They use a pin. Okay, this is the answer. Pin. Okay, I'll go over my set of answers and I'll cross out the letter P. Okay, and let's continue over number 3. Question says, the opposite of a boy. That's easy. Opposite of a boy. Instead of TW, it's gonna be letter G for girl. 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 Let me cross this out. Shall we continue? Number 4. Twist is my clue. And my question says, a row of words or numbers. Oh, that's easy. Instead of TW, it's gonna be letter L for list. 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 Let me cross it out. letter L. And let's continue over number 5. Remember, your answers go right over here. Right over here, plenty, pin, girl, list. Okay? Alrighty then. So number 5, we have twins, and the question says, what a fish uses to swim? They put on their feet something that starts with letter F, and those are fins. So what I need is letter F. I cross it out. See, my answers become easier now. Let's continue over number 6. Clue says twice. Question goes like, how much something costs? How much something costs? I'm not using TW, I'm using PR for the word price. 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 Shall we cross this out? And let us go over number 7. Clue says twine. Sentence says, a number lower than 10. Oh, that's pretty easy. It's quite easy, matter of fact. Instead of TW, it's gonna be letter N for 9. 9. And we should do this as well. We can move on the last one. Number 8. It says twig. And the definition says large. What is something large? Oh, that's easy. Instead of TW, let's use letter B and say big. Big. Alright, we're done. I'll cross out the last one. And I'll continue on a spot where there's a little fact about the Wizard of Oz. A very famous story, which is also a movie. And I'm gonna read it for you. Untracked fact. Try to read it along, Mr. Zuniga, as well. A strong twister is part of the famous book The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. But do you know how Oz was named? One day, author L. Frank Baum was thinking of his story when he spotted his filing cabinet. They're talking about this, the filing cabinet. This cabinet is designed to put away files. Okay, let's continue. He kept files labeled AN. You see this in the picture. In the top drawer. The bottom drawer was labeled O through Z. Check it out, O through Z. Oz. So his idea for the wizard was just staring on a cabinet. Clever, huh? Okay, we're done with work. So you actually did a great job. Okay, for you a little gift. Since we are so far away, only thing I can do for you now is sending you this. A picture of a baby in a costume of a lion. Cute, huh? Alright, fellas. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to send homework. It's just sending me a photo of this page. All complete. With date on top. On WhatsApp, okay? Bye-bye.